What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to fix ChatGPT access denied. So let's get it on. So first, go to your Google and click these three dots right here on the top right corner and go to your settings. Then your settings, go to privacy and security, then go to contents and other sites. After that, just scroll down and click this one right here, see all sites and permissions. Just click that and you will need to search for OpenAI, and after searching your OpenAI, just make sure that you delete all of its cookies. So just delete all of delete this too. Then after you delete all the cookies, you just need to restart your ChatGPT and you're ready to go. Or what you can do is to use a VPN. So go to Google and search for VPN, and I recommend you to use Opera GX browser. So this browser lets you use free VPN. And after downloading that, just go to their website, sign in for an account, and download it. So this is what it looks like. So after that, after you download Opera GX, just open the Opera GX browser, choose a VPN location, then open your ChatGPT, and it should be working fine. And you can freely access it. And that's it. That's how you do it. Also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.